When I first launched my business, even some of my closest friends had nothing to say. They didn't necessarily support me, meaning like or share my content or even ask me how it was going with the brand. They just kind of, stayed silent. And at first I took offense to it, but then I quickly realized it is normal human behavior. They had never seen someone try to accomplish something so ambitious. It was just easy.
동물보다를 일으켜 따따따따따따따따따따 따따따따 동물보다를 일으켜 따따따따따따따. Oh boy.
I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it.
Come a little closer cause you're looking dusty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a slappies. No gun drilling, got a free light.
You have to start boosting packaging videos. It's too hard for small businesses to record and package orders at the same time. Unless you have fancy equipment or someone else to hold the camera. Because these videos take time, but it only takes a second to share.
Watch this, y'all. It's my hidden talent. Oh, you want me to do it again?
So I was told that I was overpricing my cups. Let me break it down for you. You're not only paying for your cup, you're also paying for the supplies that I use to make your perfect cup, including a good quality tumbler.
What's up, y'all? It's Nicki Minaj.
Roaches! She's a mammoth, of course.
Stick in your face.
Stupid fucking dinosaur!
Chill. But I watch your eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your.
We just got an order. We just got an order. We just got an order. It will be in the mail soon.
I'm thin, I'm blonde, and my coke is in Cuba. Your tan comes straight from the bottle, bitch, mine comes straight from Aruba. You might be fucking in air,
I left, I would never not think about you. I would never not think about you. From the moment I left, I knew you.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see.
Phone case business check. Show all of your cases. Your newest case. The case you're most known for. Your best-selling case. Your most sparkly case. A case that took you the longest time.
So I used to know this girl who would constantly say things like, "Guys, sorry, I'm so ugly. I just ruined the whole group photo, I'm sorry." And then everyone would automatically comfort her and be like, "No, you're beautiful. You shine." And then she would be like, "No, but thank you." And she would do the same thing over and over again, trying to get everyone's attention. So eventually, I got tired. So the next time she came to me saying, "I'm so ugly," I was like, "You know what? You are." She was like, "What'd you say?" And I was like, "Bitch, if you think you're ugly, I can crop you out of the photo. The fuck do you want me to tell you? I'm not the one who made you look like a woolly mammoth."
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
Crazy curvy wavy feet, titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy feet, titties, little waist body. Yada 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 yada. How I body that, ate it up and gave it back. Crazy look good, but they still wanna know we're making that. Saucy like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num 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 num, eat it up. Hopefully, okay.
I see a bunch of people posting rich kid check. I think that's pretty lame. I want to see people starting a business. So we could start the new trend as business check or hustle check. Let's do it.
Hi there, my name is Ari, and I'm the owner of Otaku Creations. I'm a small business looking to launch very soon. At the current moment, I'm looking forward to launching some pretty cool earrings that I made. Feel free to drop a follow for more. Thank you.
How about a Disney? They tricked me. I've been wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something. I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. I still remember 3rd of December, me and your sweater. You said it looked better on me than it did you. Only if you knew how much I like you, but I
Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not here.
To the person supporting my small business, I love you. Like, I really love you, because you're not only supporting a small business, you're supporting my dream.
I'm a gunner with the blade. You were about to hear my name, bringing the hell loud, 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 loud. I could take it to the top. I know you don't wanna stop when I drop it like a bad girl, girl, girl. And when I start to talk like that, oh, you wanna know how to react.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart.
It's the new style with the fresh type of flow. Wrist icicle, ride deck bicycle. Come true, yo, get you this type of blow. If you wanna manage, I got a tricycle.
Hey, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah.
Got a lot of love, I can use a ton, yeah.
Press forward, you know the drill. Getting cold, you got shoes to fill. Lately, don't know how to feel. Don't know what's fake or real. So
Hey, baby, we're never gonna stop the rain. I'm bored in a house, I'm in a house bored. I'm bored in a house, I'm in a house bored. Bored in a motherfucking in a house bored. In a bored in a motherfucking in a house bored. I'm bored.
One of the most important things I ever learned from any of my art internships was if you sell products, to have really great packaging. I sell handmade earrings, and each of them comes with a handwritten note, matching packaging, and it's just an experience to open it up.
You have officially entered Small Business TikTok, where no purchase is necessary, but always appreciated. And if you want to show us some love, simply like and comment on this video, and of course, don't forget to follow us.
Listen to those people who are like, oh, it's so risky pursuing your dreams or starting a business. Please, they don't have the guts that you do. And remember, risk and fear are temporary, regrets are forever.
Hear me out. I wanted to be like this, and like that. That was my goal. And let me tell you, 6 months later, since I started my business, that is me now. My goals back then and me right now.